Hello everyone. Today I will be discussing about aortic aneurysm and aortic dissection. The first one is abdominal aortic aneurysm. So what is this aneurysm? Aneurysm means dilatation of localized segment of the arterial system. It can be any artery, but I will be discussing about abdominal aorta, which is the most common. So aneurysm means dilatation of any arterial system, any segment of the arterial system. So this is normal aorta and this one is abdominal aortic aneurysm. So let's study about abdominal aortic aneurysm. Abdominal aortic aneurysm means there is dilatation of segment of abdominal part of the aorta. Most common part of abdominal aorta involved in aneurysm is infrarenal abdominal aorta. Most common risk factor is atherosclerosis. There is something called as critical diameter. Critical diameter of abdominal aorta is 5.5 centimeter. Critical diameter of ascending thoracic aorta is 5.5 centimeter. Critical diameter of descending thoracic aorta is 6.5 centimeter. So more the diameter, more the chances of rupture. The screening modality in case of abdominal aorta is USG abdomen. So what are the clinical features of abdominal aneurysm? Patient can be asymptomatic. That is, patient doesn't have any symptoms. Patient can present with a lump, or patient can present with pain, or patient can present with lower limb ischemia. The screening modality is USG abdomen, whereas investigation of choice is CT angiography. What is the management of abdominal aortic aneurysm? The main management is surgery. What is the indication of surgery? What is the indication of surgery in case of abdominal aortic aneurysm? Surgery is required in all symptomatic patients. And in asymptomatic patients with critical diameter more than or equal to 5.5 centimeter. These patients require surgery. So what is the surgery we will do? So there is something called as Dacron graft repair. Dacron So in this image you can see the graft here. You can see here it is abdominal aortic aneurysm. There is dilatation of the localized segment of abdominal aorta. This Dacron graft repair can be done in two ways. It can be done in two ways, either open method or endovascular aneurysm repair. This is endovascular aneurysm repair. This is open method. This open method, it can be approached by two ways. We can approach the aneurysm by two ways. One is transperitoneal approach. Another one is retroperitoneal approach. Transperitoneal approach is preferred over retroperitoneal approach. But what are the indications for retroperitoneal approaches? If patient had previous abdominal surgery or patient with horseshoe kidney. In this patient, we will prefer retroperitoneal approach of Dacron graft repair. What are the complications of the surgery? Complications of surgery. Most common complication causing mortality is myocardial infarction. Myocardial infarction. There can be renal failure. It can lead to endo leak or graft leak. And there can be colonic ischemia. And patient can have paraparesis, that is weakness of the muscle, weakness of lower limbs. So these are the possible complications of abdominal aortic aneurysm surgery. The most common is myocardial infarction, which is the most common complication causing mortality. So this is about the abdominal aortic aneurysm. Next one is aortic dissection. What is this aortic dissection? There is splitting of the aortic intimal layer, allowing the blood to track into the aortic wall, creating a channel between intima and adventitia. In this diagram, you can see there is tear in the inner layer, that is intima of the aorta. There is tear and creating the channel between intima and the adventitia. In aortic dissection, there is splitting of intimal layer of the aortic wall, which allows the blood to track into the aortic wall, which causes the channel between intima and adventitia. There are three layers of arteries. Three layers. One is tunica intima, which is the innermost layer. Tunica media, this one is middle layer, and outermost layer is tunica adventitia. These are the three layers of the artery. In this aortic dissection, there is damage to intimal layer of the artery. So in aortic dissection, there is splitting of the intima, allowing the blood to track into the aortic wall, creating a channel between intima and adventitia. Most common site of aortic dissection is lateral wall of ascending thoracic aorta. Most common site is lateral wall of ascending thoracic aorta. Most common risk factor is hypertension. What are the complaints? What are the chief complaints of the patient? The earliest chief complaint is chest pain. Patient can be hypotensive. So this chest pain, it is the earliest chief complaints. It radiates to interscapular region. This chest pain radiates to interscapular region. What is the investigation of choice? What is the investigation of choice in case of hemodynamically stable patients? In stable patient, the investigation of choice is CT angiography. Whereas in case of unstable patient, the investigation of choice is transesophageal echo. These two are the most important questions. What is the investigation of choice in stable patient and unstable patient? What is the management method of the aortic dissection? The management is surgery. Here also we will do Dacron graft repair. So in aortic dissection, there will be tear in the intimal layer of the artery. Most common site is lateral wall of the ascending thoracic aorta, and most common risk factor is hypertension. The earliest clinical feature is chest pain. The investigation of choice is in stable patient it is CT angiography, in unstable patient it is transesophageal echo, and the surgery is Dacron graft repair. All these points are the important MCQs. These are very important. So in this session, we have studied about abdominal aortic aneurysm and aortic dissection. What is the definition of those, and what are the clinical features, what is the investigation of choice, and what is the mode of management. If you like this video, please click like button and share this video to your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.